How to find nearby friends in Facebook, or whether it's possible to do that or not. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure you watch this video till the end. So first of all, open a Facebook on a device. Now tap on the Friends tab. Now as you can see, there is no option for nearby friends. Now when you tap on three dots at the top right corner, now scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now go to Settings. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now under your activity, tap on device permissions. Now tap on location see info. Now as you can see on this page, Facebook doesn't use your location to find nearby friends. So unfortunately, you cannot find nearby friends on Facebook. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.